Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to channel for all things quality and performance. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best hardwood pellets on the market for your smoker grill. The GRILLS Wood Pellets for Smoker Grill, 100% all-natural hardwood competition pellet. If you're a grilling enthusiast or a seasoned barbecue master, you already know that the flavor of your food comes down to the ingredients you use, and that includes the wood pellets. GRILLS has crafted these pellets from 100% all-natural hardwood, ensuring a clean, pure burn that brings unmatched smoky flavors to your meats, veggies, and even baked goods. These competition-grade pellets come in a 20-pound bag, and they offer 6 different flavor profiles, including apple, cherry, hickory, and more, so you can customize your grilling experience to perfection. What sets these pellets apart is their commitment to quality. They're free from fillers and binders, making them an eco-friendly, green fuel option. The burn is clean, safe for the environment, and delivers a powerful 8,500 BTUs of heat per pound with minimal ash. That means you get a flavorful, long-lasting burn that enhances your food without the mess. Beyond the taste and clean burn, GRILLS ensures their pellets are crafted to maintain the ideal moisture content. This attention to detail means a flawless burn-to-smoke ratio, ensuring you get optimal flavor every time you fire up your grill. Plus, these pellets are compatible with most pellet grills, making them a convenient and versatile choice for any grillmaster. Not only do these pellets bring flavor and performance, but they also provide sustainability. Made from 100% natural hardwood, they're an excellent choice for anyone looking to reduce their carbon footprint while still getting that smoky, wood-fired goodness. Whether you're cooking beef, pork, lamb, seafood, or even baking a delicious pie, these pellets will elevate your food with deep, rich smoky notes. The GRILLS wood pellets are easy to store, easy to use, and they're perfect for anyone who loves grilling. Simply load up your pellet hopper, set your grill to the desired temperature, and let the pellets do their magic. With GRILLS, you're always just a few minutes away from that perfect backyard barbecue. So, if you're looking for the best hardwood pellets that will take your grilling to the next level, GRILLS is your go-to choice. Thanks for watching this review on Product Critique, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest and in-depth product reviews. Happy grilling!